Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuliso Wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Around this time bafowethu 2016 Mamelodi Sundowns yenza i-history ukuthi iwine i-CAF Champions League okokuqala bafowethu. They were crowned the kings of African football. Ngifuna ukuya esquadini esasikhona during that time bafowethu kuMamelodi Sundowns. Mhlampe nani ningasho ukuthi nikhumbula obani, who was your favorite player then kuMamelodi Sundowns? I just remember some of the few players engibakhumbulayo laphana, uKeegan Dolly, uZwane-ke wayekhona umfowethu laphana, Khamabiliato Castro, oKekana, oTeko Modise, oNtethe, oZwane babewu-2 by the way, if angenzi iphutha. Bekukhona uZwane lo angithi bafethu odlala i-right back, if angilenzi iphutha. I think wayekhona uZwane lo waku-left back omunye. And then I think uNtethe oLangamano, Onyango, Wayne Sandilands, kodwa uWayne Sandilands wayengadlali, wayeqala from the bench isikhathi esiningi, because Onyango uye waye-number 1, Anthony Lafort, coach uPitso Msimane obviously. But yeah, that was the squad abantu abambalwa laphana engibakhumbulayo kuMamelodi Sundowns. Obviously it was not an easy game, but igame yakhona bayiwina 3-1 I think ku-aggregate. IMamelodi Sundowns lapha yayi-unstoppable, yayi-powerful kakhulu bafowethu. It was not easy ukudlala against iMamelodi Sundowns during that time. And I mean uPitso Msimane, what it did obviously for iMamelodi Sundowns laphana, in terms of like instilling the winning mentality, yeah, that's like second to none in terms of like knowing your team, knowing your squad, and then introducing that winning mentality to the team. Sithemba ukuthi basazoyi-regaina lento yabo yokudominate i-Africa. Yes, they came close last season. In fact, couple of months ago they came close with Miguel Cardoso, but H Pyramid Mayele is on fire. He's the best striker in Africa by far. So bengeke kube lula ukuthi bavele bashaye i-Pyramids. Indoda eyodwa nje ihlupha Orlando Pirates, ihlupha manje neMamelodi Sundowns ihluphe kwasani. But yeah, they had a team. Mobheka i-team yabo beyinabantu abane-experience, oNtethe, Onyango, namanje usekhona Onyango, but bekhona even then experience yakhe vele ku-professional setup, because bekana-30 or 31 lapho bekhona laphana. I-CBD bafowethu, yeah, what a time, what a team. Team beyi-powerful moyibheka laphana phambili. For me bebadlala ibhola elimnandi kakhulu bafowethu. Even the young Percy Tau then mebemfaka, be-understand ukuthi-ke he was not gonna play ama-game amaningi, especially on the continental level, because laphana phambili beba-powerful. But guess what, naye mengena ulo Percy Tau benama-moments wakhe laphana. Even when he start amanye ama-game benama-moment wakhe amahle kakhulu. What a team bafowethu. I mean what a team for iMamelodi Sundowns. But just siyasithemba ukuthi if when they look back from the moment le, they will be inspired with they once did it ku-continental stage. Well, they can do it again if bayabelieve ngempela ukuthi they can still try and push ukuthola ama-results. Just nokusiza i-team overall nje, as iMamelodi Sundowns overall, ukuthi bona they wanna do things ngempela, izinto zenzeke, because bebafuna, even to this day bafowethu, they still wanna get to that stage, that level of ilokhunjani, i-continental level laphana bafowethu. Even oLangaman babekhona, squad. I think obviously umuntu odlala kuMamelodi Sundowns then ngeke bakhohlwa what it meant for iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ibe laphana. Yeah, everyone nje who was involved with the team. Kekana, yeah, I think Kekana at the time bekayi-captain, one of the leaders laphana. Mabunda naye wayekhona laphana. Why am I forgetting uMabunda overall? Because he was part, even nolokhunjana no ubani, uSibusiso Vilakazi, yeah, some of the players la bebakhona. So we remember a moment iMamelodi Sundowns la iwina khona i-Champions League. Sikhumbule ukuthi baba knocka out ku-competition, but they came back because i-AS Vita kwathiwa idlalisa iplay kungamelanga lidlale, kwasha kwacima. Mamelodi Sundowns, they came back to the continental level. But yeah, otherwise i-history yaku-South African football, I don't think thina esayibukela igame yayinzima, because Yayinzima kakhulu igame bafethu ukudlala neZamalek, the aggression of iZamalek, but it was everything nje was going well for Mamelodi Sundowns. They looked unstoppable. Um, Going back kancane kuma-group stage iMamelodi Sundowns azange idlale amagame awu-6 normally, yadlala amagame awu-4 because of i-team yase-Algeria. Remember this one, team yase-Algeria bayilokhu njani, bayi-disqualify for ukuthi ama-fans wakhona wangena egrawundini, so i-CAF yavele yabaphanisha heavy yathi niya-disqualify-wa nina, ngeke nidlale ku-CAF Champions League this season. And guess what, ngempela zange badlale ku-CAF Champions League that season. So iMamelodi Sundowns bekuyiyo, I can't remember i-team yesithuna, and then Enyimba yaseNigeria bekuyibo lapha ne-group nje kuphela. Yeah, what a game, what a time to be alive then. RIP to ama-player afana nabo Modisha Mutsheka, acontributile laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns to Mamelodi Sundowns winning that game, or during nje that continental showpiece ukuthi amajita aphushe ngempela, akwazi ukulwa, akwazi ukuthola ama-results nje overall. Beautiful times for Mamelodi Sundowns, unforgettable. For i-owner leMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi li-invest imali enkulu kangaka, millions and millions. Mangibheka ya nasi isithombe ngisibonayo la, ngibona uMabunda la phansi. Ubani uMbhekeli noma kwakuwubani lo wayedlala lapha left back or right back, can't remember the guy ukuthi bedlala yiphi position. Yeah, what a time, what a time. They have to, I think mabakhompitha njalo ku-continental level bafethu, they have to remind themselves ngalama moments la ukuthi they did it. They can still go back and look back and say, oh, we once won this, we can do it again because we were there. Yeah, we were there. They can just say logo ukuthi they were there and be inspired and just try to push again bafethu. Mikel Cardoso this season obviously-ke ubheke ukuthi a-repeat-e leyo nto leyo ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ama-superpower. Mamelodi Sundowns, they can still do it again. They can still push. Like winning the continental level bafethu, akusiyinto elula at all, kunzima. But-ke with the belief yama-player, ma-player obviously management babe in sync, ba-understand-ane, because at the end of the day, if i-management bafethu ayi-understand-ani nama-players laphana on the ground, then ama-results ngeke abe khona. Khohlwani noma bangenzani benzeni, ama-results ngeke abe khona bafethu. Management ne-technical team nama-players on the ground, they have to understand one another, and then they have to fight for one another at the end of the day. But if they're not able to do that, then bazoba nenkinga of the problem, because wonke umuntu kumele abe in sync, kumele bakwazi ukusebenzisana kahle, kumele bakwazi ukuthola ama-results, kumele bakwazi ukusizana. But yeah, we remember ama-great moments we-CBD, uCastro, Billiat, uDoli. What a time bafethu ukuba kuMamelodi Sundowns, nanokuthi nje bakwazi ukubuilda i-squad esi-powerful. I-combination, i-trio ebe-immortal, yaba-iconic ku-South African football. Danko bafethu, cela ningikhohle uku-like and subscribe.